We must learn how to manage our discount coupons in WooCommerce if we don't want to lose money due to this useful strategy. One of the things that can make us lose revenue is that our coupons are used together. That happens when our users apply 2 or more coupons for the same purchase. If that's happening in your store, we're going to learn how to fix this problem by using the WP Sheet Editor Coupons Spreadsheet plugin to enable the individual use only option on all coupons. Of course, we could open and edit our coupons one by one, but with this plugin, we can apply the change to hundreds of coupons in seconds. We will leave the link for you to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. The first option you have is to apply this change only to certain products. To do this, go to the individual use only column and tick the checkbox on all the coupons you want. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes you've made. Another option you have is to enable individual use only for all coupons at once. But before doing so, let's learn how to filter coupons with the search tool, using keywords or the advanced filters to use any field as a search parameter. Once the tool is open, let's enter here the keyword day, but remember that you can use any field to filter your coupons. After you enter the search parameter, click on Run Search and the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Now, let's open the Bulk Edit tool and select this option to edit the results from our current search. Then, select the individual use only field. Select the option to set the value. And, check this box so that the coupon can be used only on an individual basis. Finally, execute, and you are done losing money, as the filtered coupons can no longer be combined with other coupons. As you could see, using the WP Sheet Editor Coupons Spreadsheet plugin simplifies this time-consuming process. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.